In this video, you will learn how to enroll a brand on Amazon. The first step to enroll a brand is to create a brand registry account by submitting all the necessary details at brandregistry.amazon.com.au. Once your Amazon brand registry account is created, on the left-hand corner of the home page, find and click on Enroll a New Brand. To enroll a new brand, click this button and you will see a list of information that will be required for the registration of your brand. Once you have the information at hand, please click on Enroll Your Brand. You'll be led to a form wherein you will have to fill in your brand name. Please ensure that the brand name you enter matches exactly with your trademark name. It is very important that the characterization of the brand name you enter is the same as your registered trademark name, whether it is all capital letters, a mixture of upper and lowercase, all lowercase, or any special characters like hyphens or commas. Once the brand name is registered with us, it is unlikely that you or any other party of your brand will be able to make changes to it. Often, a brand name change request, even if just special characters, will require the registration of a new brand name. Continue to answer the questions related to the branding of your items. If the brand is already registered, you'll see a message saying so, and your details might be sent to the brand owner. If the trademark has not been registered, or if you are applying within 48 hours of registration, you will not be able to proceed. Once the questions are answered, you will be asked to provide the details of your trademark and the categories that your items belong in. You should also be able to verify yourself as the owner of the trademark. Once you submit the application, you'll receive an email notifying you of your submission. Amazon will contact the person or entity that filed the application for the trademark. If you used a legal entity, the legal entity will receive a notification containing a code. You must obtain and submit that code to your brand registry application. In addition, the entity or person that filed the trademark must also respond to Amazon per the instructions on the correspondence they receive. Once we have both points of verification, your application for brand registry will be approved. You can repeat this process by clicking Enroll Brand for each registered trademark that you own. Once you are enrolled, you can begin receiving the benefits of being a brand owner. This wraps up our video on how to enroll a brand on Amazon. Thank you and happy selling!